So, did he hit you tonight? You can tell us. I mean,
It's fine.
just it's not fine. If he hit you, we need to know. That's going to change the way we look at things. Well, I don't think it was your 4-year-old. You shouldn't be driving drunk with your daughter.
Okay.
Like I said.
Driving drunk is already a terrible decision, but doing it with a child in the car takes things to another level. On March 15th, Lake County Sheriff's deputies responded after a woman's husband called police following an argument between the couple. According to the circumstances surrounding the incident, the woman had left with their child in the vehicle. Deputies eventually located her in Antioch, Illinois, and what began as a domestic dispute quickly turned into a DUI investigation. Authorities alleged the 35-year-old woman had been driving under the influence with the child in the vehicle, leading to her arrest for DUI and endangering the life of a child.
Hi.
Hi.
What's going on tonight?
On my way home
On your way home from where?
from the ranch.
From the ranch? Okay. Do you have your kid with you? Okay. What, did you get in a fight with your husband tonight?
Yes.
Okay. What was the fight over? I assume you had some stuff to drink tonight or no? Okay. When's the last time you drank?
A couple of hours.
Okay. Why did you leave in the middle of the night?
No, well, we were going home and he went to go pick up his car.
His
car
car.
was in the ranch.
Okay. Who's at the ranch?
So we were in Mandalay. We went to the ranch to pick up his car.
Okay.
And then, so his car was in Wadsworth. And then we
Okay. What was your guys' argument about? Well, I'm just curious because obviously we got called here. Okay. Did you get physical with him tonight? That's what he's claiming. Well, isn't a yes or a no?
No, we did yell. So he took videos, I took videos. We both yelled. Yeah.
So you didn't get physical with him? You didn't punch him at all? None of that?
No, like actual punch, no.
Okay.
We yelled and
Okay.
she just wanted him to get off the car. We were at the ranch.
Okay. What? Continue.
She just said something. We were at the ranch. She wanted him to get off. He
Okay.
didn't want to get off.
What do you mean off the ranch?
No, so we were at the ranch. In the park. He didn't want to get off the ranch. She told him to get off.
Get off what though? I don't understand.
Get off the car. No. So,
How do you get off a car?
No. So we were in the car.
Get out of the car?
Yeah, get off.
Okay. You're kind of missing your words, so I'll just...
No, because she said get out of the car.
Okay.
Right now, she just said it.
Okay.
So.
Okay. Do you mind stepping out of the vehicle for me? Thank you. Alright, we'll go back here. Can you just stay here for a second?
What happened to your leg? Come on, Marty.
Oh. We were at the ranch.
Okay.
Actually, my whole feet.
Can I see your hands real fast? Did you strike him at all?
Yeah?
Did you strike him at all?
Strike?
Yeah, hit him.
Oh.
Open hand, closed hand?
No.
No? Okay.
No, so it was kind of like one of these.
What was it?
Like, so him going at me.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
and yeah, it's been that. This was like 2 weeks ago. This was not this weekend.
Okay. Do you have a mark on your cheek? What's that from?
No.
What's that from tonight? Okay, I think you're lying. So, did he hit you tonight? You can tell us, I mean, because he's claiming you hit him, so if that's all we have to go on, that's not a good
fine.
look.
It's fine.
Just, it's not fine. If he hit you, we need to know. That's going to change the way we look at things. Well, I don't think it was your 4-year-old.
No, nothing.
mean, that's a pretty good shiner. So, you're gonna say that wasn't from him? What do you?
No.
Then what was it from?
I opened the door.
Okay, that's not. Come on. What really happened? You don't want to talk? Okay. So you're saying that it didn't get physical tonight? Okay. I can't force it out of you, but I know a door didn't do that. Are you willing to do a standardized field sobriety test? Just to make sure you're sober?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Oh my god,
Huh?
it's cold!
Do you have a jacket? I'll let you put a jacket
I don't.
on.
No, I don't have one.
Probably
It's okay.
got a green one.
Go. It's okay.
Alright. Can you see this?
Yes.
Okay. Don't move your head. Don't move your head. Just your eyes. Just your eyes. Ankle tracking. Alright. Okay. What's this?
Can I put these on?
Yeah, you can put those back on. When I say begin, take 9 heel-to-toe steps on the line. Turn around and take 9 heel-to-toe steps back on the line. Make your turn by keeping your front foot on the line, and turn by taking several small steps around with the other foot. Begin and count your first step as 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Turn around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
I saw my stabbers. I saw my stabbers from where I was.
Okay, so it wasn't just nice odds.
Yeah, couldn't stay in position.
She stepped off the line.
Stepped off the line.
Never
Still
touched heel to
was
toe.
I didn't see the turn.
Place your feet together and your arms at your sides. Do not do anything else until I tell you to. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. When I tell you to raise either foot left or right, approximately 6 inches off the ground. Keep your raised foot parallel to the ground. Keep both legs straight. Count out loud in the following order. 1001, 1002, 1003 until you're told to stop. You ready? Begin.
1001, 1002. What?
You want to
Whatever I
stop?
instructed you to. Stop. Okay. Are you willing to give me a PBT, a pulmonary breath test?
No, because I did have 2 days.
You what?
I did have 2
Well, if you only had 2 and it was a few hours ago, it shouldn't be over. It's your last chance to prove to me that you're not intoxicated.
Okay.
It's up to you. Do you want to blow or not? Huh?
No.
No? Okay. Alright, turn around, please.
Can I make a call?
Can you what?
Can I make a call?
We'll make a call later. Come on, give me your
What about my
arms.
daughter? I will.
We're gonna do that. We'll handle your daughter in a second, okay? We'll make a phone call for you.
No.
You shouldn't be driving drunk with your daughter.
Okay.
Like I said,
That's fine.
it's your. This is the last time I'll ask if you want to blow.
No.
No? That's
No.
final answer.
Yeah,
All right.
that's fine. But
Carl, I gotta take this.
Can you slide it up?
Try to take the watch off.
one call? Please. Please. We're like down the street, please. Please.
3214 has one closer.
Please. Down the street. Really, you guys see me. He hit me.
We gave you a chance to tell us what happened, and you didn't want to tell us.
Can I get my daughter to pick her up?
We will figure out Do you have anyone to watch your daughter?
Yes.
Who?
My neighbor.
Your neighbor? Okay. Do you have their number on your phone?
Yeah.
Okay. Where's your phone at?
In the car.
In the car? Okay. We'll get it.
No, but Ken. She's
Was
not
that
gonna...
your husband from tonight?
Yeah.
Okay. Is he able to watch your daughter?
No.
Okay. Alright, well, no problem. We can call your neighbor for you.
No.
We can
I'm
call
in
your
the
neighbor.
car now.
We will.
No,
Get you in my
because...
car first.
No. Please.
What's your daughter's
We're
name?
gonna do it in a second. Yeah, we'll call in a second. We're gonna get you in the car first. Come on.
I've never done it. Oh my god. Really? I got it.
Come on this side. It's over here. Do you have anything on you right now?
No.
Okay, I just gotta pat you down, okay?
No, I don't have nothing, guys.
Okay. Alright, have a seat. Where's your phone?
In my, in the middle.
In the middle?
Yeah.
Okay.
In the end, what started as a domestic dispute at home turned into a much more serious situation once deputies located her on the road with a child in the vehicle. She was arrested on charges related to driving under the influence and child endangerment before later being released with a court date. Thankfully, the situation ended without anyone being seriously hurt. As always, all charges are allegations, and the accused is presumed innocent unless proven guilty in court. What do you think about how the deputies handled this situation? Let me know in the comments, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more police body cam footage.